Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Lots of viewers asked me about this problem. Burner is falling off from the jet flame lighter. So I decided to make a video about it. See, this burner fell off from this jet flame lighter. I'm going to show you how to put it back. Like, share, subscribe and enable the bell icon if you like the video. You can see how small this burner is. First open the lighter. Remove the tip like this. Now you unscrew this. You need to insert it back like this. This is a normal one. You can see how deep it needs to go inside. First you insert it like this, a little bit, just enough to hold it in place. See, it should be level. See, press it down against a hard surface like this. See, it's all the way in now. That's it. Now assemble it back. Screw it tight. Bend the wire towards the burner. Let's see if it's working. Thank you for watching my video, friend. Like, share, subscribe and enable the bell icon if you like the video.